Simple lifestyle tips. Defeat challenges. Let's see some of the example challenges what I have faced. So how can we overcome similar challenges? You will come to know. So in school life, all of us face the challenges, maybe kind of rejection, kind of things we face, or we will not be noticed for our talent what we have. Maybe right opportunity might not be given. Even in my school life, I have seen we were all playing in the games period. So that time only some two girls were selected for playing volleyball game. So they were not allowing us to touch that ball also. Then we came to know they were selected for some other outdoor, they have to go to some other place and represent the school. So then somehow evening I also stayed back with them and I also joined the team. So like that we should take the challenge, and that's the time I entered into the school representing volleyball team. Okay, I joined in that team, and that happened during my 9th, I believe. So from that time till my B, I was in volleyball team. Okay, so we have to take up the challenges. Okay, if somebody says you should not be allowed to do this one, immediately you should not feel snubbed and you should not walk out. You have to accept the challenge and you should prove yourself. And so related to the games only, if you consider, like when I was in the college team also, like I was not a booster in the front row. No, the boosters will be there. I'm not the booster in the volleyball team. I'm not the striker also. Okay, so but I'm a good defender. Okay, so what happens, like sometimes they give importance to the boosters or the strikers only. Okay, right? But when we go outside the college, right, to represent, so that time we see like the right opportunity will not be there to represent their gaming in that boosting or in the striking even. Okay, so the normal game, like in one touch when you pass the ball, so that will be helping us in scoring. So that time what happened, really God helped to help me to play really good. Okay, so such kind of things happen. So we should not leave our hope. Okay, so suddenly they will make some times we have to play as a substitute. Sometimes we have to replace the main team player. But when we were playing, representing our college once in the TIES, in the Tamil Nadu Inter-Engineering College competition, right? So that time our coach really appreciated. I have played well, he said. Okay, so even in the final year, I believe. Okay, so that time what happened, we were all divided into many houses. Okay, right? So when I was seeing in the opponent team, all our college representing team members went, and I was in another team where I think I was in red house in our opponent team, some other house, green or some other house. In our house, when we see I can't see any single player. All are like our team heading coordinators, but they don't know volleyball. They know to play. They were the team members of college representing team members of other games like basketball or athletic event or kabaddi kind of players. So I just told them, okay, whenever ball comes, all of you move this side, I will receive it. So like that somehow I played and I won. So when we were we won that actually. My team, we won it. Being a single player, God helped us to win that game. So to the coach, all my teammates who all were there in the other teams and the opponent team, they were all telling our coach, only Parkaway as a single man army she played and won, like that they told. Okay, so let's have the hope all the time. We should not leave our hope. Okay. So you may be left alone sometime. You have to face a challenge and still you have to express your talent. Okay, even in the workplace also sometimes what happen, no, like when you join in a new workplace, right opportunity will not be given, or we will not be using the opportunity. So what we have to do, we should not simply wait for the opportunity. Whatever the work the higher ups give, no, we should keep on doing it. Okay, so in our workplace also, like such kind of opportunity came, like we have to coordinate uh, the local chapter for NPTL kind of thing. It came through our then HOD. So we were all, that was new time. Okay, so we are not aware what is that local chapter. We don't know the meaning of it, but I just obeyed and I took the opportunity and I was doing it, and I was going to each and every department and collaborating the work to make the faculty and students enrolling in that. And that's a time really God helped me to show up my ability and the effort and the effectiveness, okay, and the hard work. And I can do like that. That leadership quality, he actually he's shown through that work. Okay, I can tell that is one of the thing through which like it was shown up, and it's one of the major thing which helped me for my proving myself to later up in my career also to get the promotion and moving ahead. So whatever the challenges you get right in your life and opportunity, whenever it knock your career door, you have to open it and you have to accept it and move ahead. Okay, you should not be very lazy whenever the opportunity come in your way. Even small opportunity, you try to use it. Okay, so God will use you and like expose like what are the good qualities you have to others. So that will help you to grow in your career. So I wish all of you who are all hearing this win the challenges.